Caroline from Bubbly Maths here, presenting activities by AIMSEC on the Aiming High website. And on the weekends, we play games. So here we are playing a game called, what's it called? It's called Game of Pig. Now, why is it called a Game of Pig? Because every now and then something happens that you might go, oh, pig. That's the reality of it. So I'm just going to put in a comment in the bottom, which is a link to the website where you can find the game, and let's play. Now this game is suitable for, there's a version, I'm going to do with all ages. I'm going to play the games. No, I'm not. I'm going to do a separate video for early years. And then, so this game will actually be suitable for 7 to 18-year-olds. And it's literally practicing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and using probabilities. I'll do a separate live about the maths of it. This is playing the game. We're playing the game. Here we go. So I've got 2 dice. I've got my 2 orange dice. You might notice I kind of like my orange. Roll my dice. Now I'm starting because of what I rolled. Now, the thing with this game is that you've got 2 dice, and when you roll 1 dice that's a 1, and I've just rolled a 1 and a 2, that's the end of your go. That's it. So I don't get to do anything because I rolled a 1 on my very first roll. How likely is that? I think this game should be called How Likely Is That? Okay, so you've rolled a 2 and a 4. You've got a 2 and a 4. Actually, we are going to say 2 plus 4 here. 2 plus 4, so you've rolled, this extra column we'll use for a different, well, we could do it. 2 plus 4 is 6. We could do our sums there. We're going to put our 6 in the box, ready to go in the bank if we want to. Now, do you want to put that in the bank and that's the end of your go? Or do you want to roll again? How likely is it that you'll roll a 1? If you roll a 1, you will lose what's in the box and you will get nothing in the bank for this time around. You roll again? Okay, all right, then we'll roll again. Ooh, a 5 and a 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. That makes 50. Well, actually, no, that's what we'll do. We'll do that there. We'll just keep that sum going along there, and then we'll 5 plus 6 plus 9 is 15. 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. That's it. You're gonna keep that. You can roll, keep rolling until you roll a 1, and then you don't get, then all of this disappears and you don't get anything in the bank. So you're gonna put that in the bank. I'm gonna play safe for you, and I'm gonna play not so safe for me. Right, my turn. Ooh, well that's quite good. I've got a 4 plus 6 is 10, and so I'm going to put the 10 in the box. Yes, and now roll again. Oh, okay, all right, this is working out for me. 5 plus 5, that's another 10. That's 20. That's 20 in the box. Oh my goodness. Okay, I better stop there, because how likely is it that I throw a 1 next time? That's 25, so that's 5 in the box. So I know I'm going to just keep my 25, bank my 25, and now it's your turn. So you might be wanting to take some risks here. I've got 10 points ahead of you. You've got a 5 and a 2, which is 7. Put the 7 in the box. Ooh, a 6 and a 3. That's 9, which makes it 16. You want to bank the 16? That puts you ahead of me. What do you reckon? You want to roll one more time? Because you are ahead of me now. Only just, but you are ahead. What do you reckon? Well, I'm going to bank it. I'm going to bank it, so that's 16 and that's 31. All right, my turn. Let's see how I go. Oh, well, that's a good for you, not so good for me. 1 and 3, so that's that one. I don't get to do anything there. Finish there, finish there, finish there. What are you going to throw? A 2 and a 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. Bank the 8. Box the 8. What do you reckon you should throw again? How likely is it that you'll roll a 1? Well, you didn't roll a 1. 2 plus 5 is 7. 15. Do you want to bank the 15? Yes? Okay, go on then. So we'll bank the 15 and keep on playing. And basically the first person that gets to 100 wins, plain and simple. And you just keep playing along like that. Now, the variations are, and there are more. There are so many variations of this. You can literally use this game to play as you practice the things you need to practice. So let's say you're just learning decimals. You can use it to practice with decimals. Are you just learning fractions? You can use it to practice with your fractions. We're going to do right now, we're going to go from addition to subtraction. So we're going to roll 2 dice. And we're going to do both addition and subtraction. So we've got a 4 plus 5. So that's 9. I'm not going to write it down yet, though, and you'll see why now. And I've got a 7 and a 2. Now, you're going to subtract the larger number from the smaller number. So the way you write it is going to matter. So in this case, I've actually got 9 minus 9. So I've got 0 in the box so far. Well, that's not very good. Right. I get to roll again. Now, this time we're rolling 4 dice for every score. So how likely is it that I roll a 1 in that roll of 4? But I'm going to go for it anyway. The next one is 6 plus 4. Our target number might be a lot smaller in this case. 6 plus 4 again. What? No. 10 minus 10. I think our target number had better be 10. We better be aiming at 10 with this game. We'll never get there. Right, we'll see. So I still get nothing. I'm going to roll again. How likely is it that I roll a 1? Well, I don't have any points anyway, so I may as well. Oh, I rolled a 1. So that's the end of my go. Now it's your go. A 4 and a 3. And oh, you've rolled a 1. So neither one of us has any points. So then it's my turn. You keep going. And when you eventually get some points here, you can, but I think it would be a good idea to target 10 points on this one. The first person to 10 points is the winner. So, but you're having to think a lot about how likely is it. But at the moment, it doesn't matter if we hit a 1 because we don't have anything in the bank anyway. Okay, now the next variation is, actually, let me use my little guy. My little guy will do a better job of this because it's smaller. You can do multiplication. Multiplication, you throw the 2 dice again. I'm just going to show you one example. I've got 3. So this will be, I'm going to give you this one, 3 times 3. 3 times 3, yeah, just that's it really. 3 times 3 with 2 dice. So if you're just practicing up to your 6 times table, 3 times 3 is 9, and you can roll again. How likely? And just keep adding that up to whatever number you want. You could go to let's go to 100 on this one. Our target number is 100, and so that's quite simple. If you wanted to go the larger numbers now, for 6 dice, if you don't want to go past 10, then you just disqualify any number that goes past 10 and roll again. But if you do want to just go up to the 12 times table, you can do that with 2 dice, or if you get a D12 as well. And there's also a spinner, which I'll show you how to make tomorrow night. I'll show you the spinner, which tomorrow night's more of a how-to. Right, and so, okay, so you just keep doing that. And then, oh, and if you want to go up to 12, you simply roll both dice. Oh, I've rolled a double one. It was my go. That meant I lost everything in the bank, but I didn't have anything in the bank, so that's okay. But now it's your go, and you rolled a 1, so now it's my go, and I got a 3. So this is playing with 2 dice. I want to show you how it works. 3 plus 3 is going to be 9, and then we're going to multiply that by, I rolled a 1. I'll pretend I didn't, because otherwise we'll never. I've now got 4 plus 4, which is an 8. So now you've got to do 9, not 3. We're going to do 3. Now we're doing 3 plus 3 because we're going for the bigger numbers. We're now adding them. For the first time around, with just 2 dice, you multiply them together. But this way, we add them together so that we get numbers up to 12. So we've got 6 times 8 is 48. Do we want to bank that or box it? You would go to higher numbers. We might go up to 200, might be our target number with this one. Do I want to bank that? How likely is it that I throw a 1 if I throw 4 more dice? It's up to you. You'd make the decision. That's multiplication. Then finally, division is what is division? You've got to come up with 2 numbers. When you divide one by the other, you have a positive whole number. That is the rule. And you're going to throw 2 dice. Your turn 4. You've got 4 and you've got a 6. Now we're not deciding whether we're going to add, divide, multiply, or subtract at this point. Now you've got a 6. I'll put a 2 and a 6. So you need to make the highest number you possibly can when you subtract that one of the no, we're dividing. You've got to make the highest positive whole number that you can. So you can decide what you want to do with that. So what if we did 4 times 6? What would that give us? You might want an extra piece of paper for this. 4 times 6 is, my brain just went, it's 24. I'll put the notes here. This is side notes. 24. 2 times 6 is 12. We want to make it the largest number possible, but it has to make a whole number. We want the largest number possible on top and the smallest number possible underneath. You've got to think about all that stuff. So what if we did 6 minus 2? That's 4. Ooh, so if we made it 6 times 4 divided by 6 minus 2. So that'd be 24 over 4. Ooh, which is, we're back to there again. So we actually have our answer there. So that means our number is 6. Do we want to bank that, or do we want to roll again and roll 4 more and come up with another number which we can add, do the sums and add it on? It's up to you. You decide. How likely is it that you're going to roll a 1 and lose what's in the box? That's just you have a piece of scrap paper to do your calculations on. Okay, so that's how you would do the division. And again, we'd aim for smaller numbers. Our target might be 50 or something like that. So those are the 4 variations that I thought of so far. On Sunday night as well, we'll be talking about, I'll be doing another live on Sunday night. We'll be talking about other possibilities. So we might look at division, fractions, division, not what I meant to say, decimals and fractions. If you enjoy this video, please do subscribe to the channel. My microphone's just gone down, way down low. I hope you could hear it all right. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell and give me a like. That'd be amazing. And comment, what other ideas have you got let us know what you've actually managed, what you've done with it, if it's helped you, if you've got any ideas that will help others. Just letting other people know what you're up to would be super helpful. Thank you so much for joining us, and I will see, well, I'll be back daily doing these lives as well as putting other videos up on other matters. Please do look around the channel, look at the videos. There's videos that we do maths with soap bubbles, we do maths with balloons, and paper folding, and all kinds of different activities to give you lots of ideas, as many ideas as possible. Thank you for joining. Now I've got to work out how to end the live, which I'm still working on. This is haven't done very many YouTube lives yet. There, I got it, I found it. Thank you. Stop live stream. Thank you.